My name is Kgomotso Twagirayezu, founder and CEO of Shedol Group, a natural cosmetic manufacturing company in Botswana. Shedol Cosmetics started out of curiosity, out of wanting to know how things are made, and out of really trying to challenge myself. We started our operations in 2018 from home, basically, from manufacturing our products from home to now being at more than 250 square meter warehouse where we are currently producing. It has been a long, tedious, exciting journey. For Shedol Cosmetics to have the success that it has now took a whole team. There's a whole team backing me up. There's a whole team supporting me. I, as the CEO of the company, have always been intentional, deliberate about is choosing the right people to walk this journey with me. And the right people in my case is people who are an organizational fit. You have to be able to merge with us and blend with us and go with our organizational culture. One of our greatest moments is listing with over 35 retail stores nationwide. Some of our low moments was actually finding the right facilities to test our products. Because remember, we cannot take our products to the public, to the retail stores when they do not have the right documentation. We had to find the right facilities that can test our products, that can approve our products. And that was one of the challenges that we had, bearing in mind that we are, or I could say we are the first generation to actually tap into manufacturing landscape in our country. What keeps us going as a business is looking back. I think sometimes we get so busy and so consumed with all the challenges that we are having in business that we never stop and look back to where we've come from. For all other aspiring entrepreneurs, I believe that you definitely have an idea, you have a vision, you have dreams. I want to encourage all of you now. It's time to put all those dreams into reality. Go out there, knock on doors, start. We are currently working on developing new products. We definitely want to add more products to our line. The entrepreneurial landscape in Botswana is quite accommodative. We are receiving support from government entities. We receive great support from our customers. Botswana, they are really supportive. We want to thank you for that.